Hello everyone, my name is Siti Damayanti, 24101009.
My name is Gratia, 24101165. The influence of social media on self-image and self-confidence.
Study a friendship discussion between a school counselor and a student about the pressure of social media. Wow, thank you for coming to this counseling group, Gracia. How have you been feeling lately?
Honestly, I often compare myself to others on social media because I want to see if I am good enough compared to them. Sometimes I feel less confident when I see their seemingly perfect lives.
I understand. If you're feeling that way, your self-confidence might decrease. But realize the negative impact is an important step to build your resilience.
With choosing, now I try to carefully select the accounts I follow and fill my feed with more inspiring and constructive content.
That's very good. Your proactive action shows mature in managing your digital environment wisely.
Thank you. I also try to limit my social media time strictly so I can focus on achievement in the real world, like studying and exercising.
Exactly. Keep feeling yourself positively. And remember, if you get negative comments, respond with a mature and understanding attitude.
Oh, sometimes I do feel stressed when I see a lot on social media. So stepping away for a moment helps me see my self-worth more clearly and gain confidence.
Yes, that is very important. Keeping distance from social media pressure can help you focus on the quest, the real matter in your life.
If I succeed, I will be more confident facing whatever comes in the future. Right, Sin?
Absolutely, Gracia. If you keep doing these positive things, I am sure your confidence will grow